In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and enhance notes using Google Keep. Google Keep is a great tool for capturing thoughts and ideas, whether you're jotting something down quickly or organizing for a larger project. So let's dive in and explore how to make the most of this invaluable resource. First, we need to head over to Google Keep, which you can easily access through your browser by going to keep.google.com. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Having a Google account is necessary to use Google Keep since it integrates within the Google suite of applications. Once you're there, you'll notice a clean interface, ready for you to start creating and managing notes. Next, let's begin by creating a new note. You'll find an option that says, Take a Note. Click on it and you'll see a text field appear, inviting you to type out your note. This section is where you can jot down your thoughts, reminders, or any information you need to keep track of. The beauty of Google Keep lies in its simplicity. It functions like a digital sticky note, but with added features. To give your note a bit more depth and character, you can add an image by clicking on the Add Image button right next to the text field. This is especially handy if you're someone who appreciates a bit of visual stimulus, or if your note refers to something specific that a picture can illustrate. Whether it's a snapshot of a whiteboard from an important meeting, a relevant chart, or even a motivational image, including visuals can make your notes more engaging and easier to relate to. Remember, there's no limit to how creative or straightforward you can be with your notes. Besides images, Google Keep offers various tools like checkboxes for to-do lists, the ability to apply different colors to notes to help categorize or prioritize them, and even the option to set reminders that will sync across your devices. This way, important tasks or ideas not only stay top of mind, but also follow you wherever you go with Google's seamless integration capabilities. Finally, once you've added everything you want to the note, you're done. You can always come back later to edit or expand it, as automatically, it's saved and synced across any of your devices with access to your Google account. This means you can start a note on your laptop and finish it on your phone or tablet while on the go. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to harness the power of Google Keep to make sure your ideas and reminders are captured and organized efficiently. Keep experimenting, and soon you'll discover the numerous ways this tool can make your daily planning more productive and intuitive. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.